Hello friends, so I welcome you back to another interesting class on our 1688 China importation. In this part of the training, I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough on 1688. So, let's start from the bottom right here. Here you see the logo of 1688, and then right here is just for some videos. You don't need that point. Right here, this is where your charts, your notification, everything about 1688, this is where you are going to read them. Then right here, this is where you visit your cart. Whatever product you had in the cart is going to be here. Right here, the last angle here is where you visit your profile. Okay, then at the top right here, this section here is for factory section. Everybody that has been located here, they are all factory. And right here, this is the home page, and then this point here is by classification or category of searching for product. Okay, now at the bottom right here, let's click on here to visit our profile. When you visit your profile, so let me give you a simple explanation right here. Now at the point here, this is the section of a product you have not yet paid for. So in this section, you may have asked for a supplier to give you a discount, and they ask you to submit order. So anytime you submit order, it's going to be here, and this is where you can copy the order number and send it to supplier before they can reduce the price for you. Then eventually you pay on the 1688. So this is where unpaid goods rest. And then this section here, this is where your payment has been confirmed. The product will move into this section. Okay, so once the payment has been confirmed and it has been moving to this section, the next thing is for the supplier to ship out the goods. So once they ship out the goods, it's going to be here, this section where you see boss. It means that your goods has been shipped by the supplier and the goods is on transit, and this is where you can get your tracking number for the product. Okay, now the section right here where you see messages, this is where you need to give a feedback that you have received your parcel from the supplier, and you can give them a feedback. If the product is okay, you give them 5-star review. If the product is very poor, you give them a very poor rating. So this is the last section of procurement and shipping as far as it's concerned. And the last button right here, this one is just for refund button. So if you have any refund or you place any refund, the refund is going to be here. Whether it has been approved or it has not been approved, the refund button is going to be here. So this is what I have for you as far as the most important walkthrough about 1688 is concerned. So if you have any question for me, let me know. If you don't have any question, let's go to the next lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye.